Chapati. A meal that brought about 400 people together at Honorable John Njoroge Secondary School in Kasarani. The only requirement was to have lots of energy and sambaza furaha. Some came to mix the dough, others to roll it out, others to cook, and there were others who came to taste the final product. In collaboration with Events by Two, Safaricom launched its month-long Christmas campaign dubbed Sambaza Furaha.
Sambaza Furaha is about sharing the joy, sharing the little that you have with those who are less fortunate, so that we may create an abundance of joy in this season.
I'm very humbled by this opportunity to partner with Safaricom. Events by Two is a charity organization created in the aim of making young people get a place to serve and also just give back to the society or the community.
And that was not all. Safaricom took upon itself to further delight its customers with a gamified spin wheel to win airtime, merchandise, live chicken, and goods.
My biggest highlight is just seeing how much joy we were able to bring into this community. I love Christmas, so it's always great to see other people enjoy Christmas.
The fun-filled event spoke on sharing the season's blessings and deepening customer engagement and experience.
What inspired us to actually come up with this campaign is because we are very cognizant of the tough economic times that Kenyans are facing. We want to use our products and our services to spread the joy. So we'll be leveraging our Bonga platform because we know our customers are earning Bonga points every single day. So they can use these Bonga points to actually connect with family. And a proposition that enables Mtu Biashara to be able to communicate with their customers, share the products that they have so they may be able to grow their business.
I believe that charity and community works is our best way to leave a permanent footprint. Charity is not about giving 1 million. Charity is all about giving what you have in a million ways. So get out there, do something, no matter how small it is. Haba na haba hujaza kibaba. And this is the dream of every successful impact story.